how to write YouTube video scripts with custom AI. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you guys can write YouTube scripts with custom AI. So there are many reasons why you might want to use a custom AI software to write your scripts. Well, firstly is to reduce the cost for getting scripts written by actual people, because if you get scripts from actual people, well then they are going to charge about $30 to $40 to even $50 per script if you guys were to get it made from someone on the internet. But you guys can significantly reduce that cost to just a few cents per script if you guys were to use custom AI softwares to write those scripts. Now, some popular examples of videos using scripts are usually top 10 style videos, luxury style videos, or simple crypto explainer videos. So for example, over here, let's open up a video. So over here, I'm going to type in top 10 songs of the week, for example, or I can type in top 10 richest people in the world. And then as soon as I type this in, now you guys can see over here that there are many videos that come up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on any video, and then after that, now over here, if I were to play this video, well then this video is definitely using a script. Now this video is about 1500 words long. So if you guys want to get firstly these scripts, well for that I want you guys to come on to listverse.com. So guys, listverse.com is an amazing platform through which you guys can actually get yourself really good scripts. Now you guys must be thinking that, hey, if we were to get a script from this particular website, well then if we were to use it, well then we might get a copyright strike. Well guys, don't worry, because I'll show you exactly how you guys can turn the script around and you guys can make it completely your own. So over here you have many different scripts. For example, you have the top 10 forbidden colors, you have 10 gender swapped cover songs, and then over here you also have 10 unbelievable final resting places maybe of drug lords. Like, all of these topics are very interesting. So for me, this one, which is 10 not safe for the office snacks, so I'm gonna open up this one. And over here, as you guys can see, that you have a list. So at number 10, you guys have this particular dish, which is the so long smelly sandwich. So, I mean, I honestly don't like this a bit. Now over here, this is the avoid the popcorn button. Like, for me, like, this is actually a good dish. I'm not sure why they've placed this in the bad for office snacks. So what you guys can do is you guys can pick any one of these lists. So you guys can either pick the first list that you see, or you guys can do your research and actually find a very good script that you guys might want to use for your YouTube videos. Now, you guys can do the very same thing if you have scripts coming in from other videos. For example, if you guys wanted to make a video like this one, which is the top 10 richest people in the world, well then what you guys can do is you guys can just simply download this video. You guys can use a transcription software like Descript, and you guys can get the whole transcription of this particular video made. And then once that transcription is done, you will have the whole script of this video on your computer in a text format, and then you guys can just simply copy that text and you guys can paste it in the software that I'm about to show you in this video. And what that is going to do is that is going to let you guys basically change up the words, and that script is going to be turned into a completely new script. So meaning you can use it in a new video and you guys will not be able to, and nobody is going to be able to give you guys a copyright strike. So over here you guys can see also many different scripts. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just simply copy one of these scripts. So what I want you guys to do now is that I want you guys to open up Google Docs. So type in docs.new, and then after that press enter. Now once you guys have opened up Google Docs, now from over here simply type in the title of the script to be exactly what you see over here. So now from over here I'm going to copy this, come back over here, paste it over here. Now from over here, start copying this text. So as soon as you guys start copying this text, simply start pasting it over here. So now from over here, I'm gonna basically copy this as well. I'll paste this in over here. And then after that, from over here, I will copy the text at the bottom. So you guys just have to do this again and again till you guys have the whole script in your Google Docs. So I'm gonna paste it over here, and now I have this part over here. So just simply do this until you have the whole script copied over in your Google Docs document. If you want to just copy everything, simply press Ctrl A and Ctrl C, then come over here, paste it over here. You guys can also do this as well, and you will have the whole document over here. And then of course you guys can remove the parts that you guys don't need. So once you guys have done this, now open up a new tab and type in Paraphraser. So as soon as you guys type in Paraphraser, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So now from over here, click on the first option, which is paraphraser.io, or choose the second one, which is Quillbot, whichever one you see at the top. So I'm gonna go with paraphraser.io, and then after that it's gonna take you guys over here. So now simply paste the script, the whole script if you want to, or you can simply start pasting sections. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically copy this text, and then I will simply copy this and I will paste it over here. Now, as soon as I paste this, now from over here, you can choose the paraphrase text that comes out at the front to be standard, creative, or smart as well. But of course, you'll have to pay more money to get those options. So once you guys have chosen fluency or standard, click on I'm not a robot and click on paraphrase now. Now, this particular software is gonna paraphrase this text for you. And then over here, you guys are gonna see the text, which is paraphrased. So over here, as you guys can see that the first line in this text was, the son of a Czech businessman ennobled in the late 19th century, Baron George Haas Jr. took perverse pride in showing up the old aristocracy. And over here, you guys can see that the first line is Baron George Haas Jr., the son of a Czech merchant who was a knight in the late 19th century. So like it's the very same thing, but the only thing that's different is that this text is paraphrased and this text is not paraphrased. So essentially, they both mean the same thing, but the words are completely different. Now, what does this do? This just basically saves you from a ton of work. Using this, you guys can have brand new scripts made for your YouTube videos using their custom AI paraphrasing technology, and you guys can produce 10, 20, 50 scripts in one day, and this is gonna save you guys a ton of time. So like over here, we have this text. Now I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna come back and I will replace that text with the text that I just paraphrased. Now similarly over here for the second one, I will copy this. I will come over here, I will paste it. Now I will click on I'm not a robot again, paraphrase now, and then now of course I will be able to see the paraphrase text on the right. So I will copy this again and I will come back over here and I will paste it over here. So that is how you guys can actually get away with already used scripts, and you guys can make new scripts with this custom AI software. Like, this is absolutely amazing, and honestly many people use this. Many of your favorite YouTubers are already using these tools to basically remake videos so that they don't have to rewrite the whole scripts again and again. So that is how you guys can generate YouTube scripts using the custom AI of this particular software, and this is gonna save you guys a bunch of time. So guys, this was the video. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.